Today I'm going to take you through on how to make the report. So as previous days, our teachers used to suffer on boards calculating, carrying out the body masses to make reports for the what? For us. But nowadays the IT has simplified work. So I want to show you how we can use Excel to make report work easy and enjoyable. So now, as we see here, we have our marks for the subjects, then on the different citizens here. So we are going to learn how to total, get average, position, and grading. Those are the key stuffs we find on our report. So we shall start with the total. So in Excel, we either use formulas or functions. So for this case, we shall use which is most appropriate. So now we begin with total. So when we are going to put our function or formula, we start with the equal sign. After, now for total, we can use the formula. We click here, plus math plus science plus English. So we just only use this first individual here. After adding all of them, we press enter. We get our total. After getting this total of the first individual, we don't need to even add the others. Since we use the formula, we just come here at this box. When it shows a plus sign, we just double click. Then it will just add itself downwards. Even if we have another citizens, it will just add itself here. So for the average we shall use the function because it is the most appropriate. So equal sign equals average. Then here, as you see our formula, it shows you the procedures, as you see. So they will ask you the number. The first number, we shall come here. We use this one as the first number. After, now they are showing you that put a comma. You add a comma. Then they ask you the range of numbers. You start from this one, then up to that one. Then they show add the what? After, then we close our brackets. Then we do what? Enter. So this is our average here. Then we click here, double click, and we drag, and it moves downwards here. So it will just do itself automatically since we entered the formula of the average. So for the position, we shall use our function, which is equals rank. Now we are ranking, so we use equals rank. Select the rank. After, now here they are showing the number. We are ranking using our average. So here we select the number. They're showing us that put a comma, then the reference numbers. We are referring to these all numbers here on the average. So we start from here and we move up to the last one. So after this, these numbers of ours, we need to fix them. So fixing them, we use F4 and we add the dollar signs here so that we can fix the range in which we must consider in ranking our citizens. After there, they are showing that we add another comma. After adding another comma, now the order they are bringing us, we need it descending order or ascending order. So we shall go with descending order. After there, we shall close our bracket and press enter. After getting this individual citizen's position, just come here on this box on the right hand down corner. So if you see that plus, you double click. Now as we see that our individuals, they have ranked themselves. As we see that here, the citizen is the 80 is in the first position, second position here. Things are flowing. Then we go to grading. For grading, we shall use the if function. So the if function needs some patience because it's somehow longer. So press equal sign, then we use if, then we select. Now here, like, we use the average in grading. So we just click in this cell, for we just use only one individual. So now we see this cell is represented by C2 by G2. So if G2 is greater than, say, 80, then a comma, so we put our grading in quotes. If it's greater than 80, we award that citizen a D1. Then we add another comma. Yes. Now after here, we do if, then a bracket, then again, this is our reference. G2 is greater than 75, a comma, then we give that citizen a D2, then comma, again if, a bracket, If again G2 is greater than a 70, a comma, then we award that citizen a credit 3. Then we put in this stuffs, a comma, then if, as I told you, you have to be patient as you are using this if stuff. Then greater than, I think, 60, then a comma, we award that citizen a credit 4. You have to be careful you don't make any error, because making any error will lead you to repeating the entire stuff again. Brackets, then again our reference greater than a 55, we award that citizen a credit 5, comma, then if a bracket, our reference number greater a 50, comma, this stuff, you give the citizen a credit 6, then a comma, if a bracket reference greater than a 45, a comma, award the citizen a pass 7, then a comma, if a bracket, our reference number greater than a 40, comma, award the citizen a P8, then a comma. Now for the last stuff, you can just, for the last one, you can just put it, the what? The reward, which is an F9. Then thereafter, we have to close the brackets. But each bracket opened must be catered for. So we close until a black bracket is shown. As we see this done, we have made our black bracket since it was the one we began with. So after there, we press enter. As we see, the citizen is given a credit fund as a 50. After here, so we just double click and the things just do continuously. As you see, our citizen is awarded here. Yes, just like that. Thank you for listening.